What up, YouTube? It is with my greatest delights, you great traders. I missed you guys so much. I'm so happy to be back and filming for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a live session of me trading the Nasdaq market at New York session. And you're going to see what is it I do, what is it I look into. You're going to see every step, guys. This is that great news. I bring great news to you guys. I hope you all do well. I hope God has been blessing you with all your heart's desires. So, guys, first and foremost, thank you for your support that you're tuning in. And without further ado, let's dive straight right into it. So, first and foremost, we have our chart right here. And what do I look for every time I open my chart? I look for the weekly trend. I use my weekly to identify trends. So first and foremost, let's identify a trend. All right, higher high, low, higher low, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Another lower low point. Now we are at a very interesting level right here, right? So we know that, okay, we are bearish because of the market is making consistent high highs and high lows. Now let's identify potential market structures here. I wanna do this. Now zooming in, why am I drawing a support structure here? Now I can see the market reacted. Actually, guys, you know what? This is not a valid structure. Here's our structure here. This is our support structure here, just to correct stuff. So you know that, okay, the trend is bearish and we have support structures right there, and we are also at a potential trend line with 3 touches now. So what do we expect, knowing that the weekly is bearish, guys, and looking at the trend line as well? Do I expect this trend line to hold? No, I don't expect it to hold. My reasons are, looking at these previous 2 candlesticks, it seems as if we have a lot of bearish pressure, and this is what I expect today. So I'm gonna go into the lower time frames and see what is it the H4 has for us. All right, guys, note that I did not check the chart before I told you guys what is it I anticipate and all that. Now we have a 4-hour trend line right here. It has how many touches? 1, 2, potentially 3. Now what happened when we got at this trend line? We actually did break this trend line and came back close above it. So let's go into our 1 hour and see what's going on the 1 hour. Wow, it seems as if we've been having a lot of ranging movement here. So why do I wanna sell at a strong trend line like this, guys? I don't go against what the weekly tells me. The weekly said it's bearish, and I prefer to trade the trend because of the trend is always my friend. But if of course the market doesn't sell and does something like that, probably to then I will have a trend line like that. And if the market does come and make it that touch, then I'll start looking for buys, but I'll still be conservative. Now I know that the trend is down. So if the trend is down on the weekly, then it means on the lower time frames it's going to be overridden until further notice. So I'm gonna go into my M30. All right, we are ranging for the now. So what's the solution? Let's go into another lower time frame to find a solution to all this. Oh my god. Today's video is going to be a very interesting one. There we go. There we go. Control M5. Wanna fix that. Guys, let me tell you, the market is gonna sell at market open. I swear it's gonna sell. I swear, I am literally gonna fund an account and I'm gonna put this to use. I expect it to sell. I won't tell you exactly why, because of it's based on experience. But another thing you should know, I told you that the trend is bearish, right? So I expect something like this today. I told you the trend is bearish, and now should the market break this trend line, should it break this minor trend line I've created, like that, I'm taking a sell, and the sell position should be worth 1,000 pips, which is going to be a minimum of $100. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna be back. Just gonna quickly refreshen up and fund account, and which I'm gonna use to elaborate what I can do in the market, right, guys? So I'll be back just now in a couple of minutes. Be sure to stay tuned and find out what happens. Alright, guys. We back again with the results, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna say fortunately things didn't go our way. What I mean by fortunately is that we got to learn a lesson. Now, guys, I was scalping this off the lower time frames, and okay, the account did run a bit of profit, but this right here at this trend line, that touch, this candlestick here basically took out the account, right? So does it mean we give up? No, we never give up. We never give in. We will be back to do more setups later. For now, we're just gonna go and rectify our mistakes. The smart man is he who learns. So there's a lot of things I didn't see, right? First and foremost, I didn't see that there's also another trend line here that was broken. Now, whilst I was selling, right, I didn't see that, okay, the market was actually respecting this trend line. So it's okay. You learn from it. You take all the meat you can from the bones and throw away the bones. So I would gladfully be back again. I was glad to spend money for you guys and to show you guys what I'm showing you. It costs me money, of course, and time. However, I'm showing it to you guys for those of you whom are probably experiencing the same thing. And I just want you to take what is you can take for the video and learn from it, right? We don't always post profits and pretend as if we are this 100% holy grails strategy. No, it happens sometimes, and if it happens, the market does this. We can see that the market was, of course, jagging up and down, but it's okay. If it happens, it happens. Move on from it. We'll be back later on. Let's give it an hour and just go view houses, go do something. We'll be back later on, film another video for you guys and show you how that we do a comeback in the market, right? We're not gonna revenge trade, but we're gonna see a setup, and if a setup shows up and it's a great setup, we take the setup. If there's no setup, that means we're done for the day. So that's it from us. Whilst I'm recording this, the market is going towards our take profit zone, but again, it's no problem, no personal agenda to this. It's trading. It's part of the game. It's not a game, but it's part of the business. It happens. It happens. Move away from it. Learn from it. So that's it from us this hour. I hope to shoot another video for you guys later on. Have a great day, guys. It's yours, beloved First Loss. God bless. Till we meet again. Cheers, guys.